Welcome to Tech Friday, the podcast about this week's hottest tech insights, hosted by a team of technology experts from Zfort Group. We share exclusive content on artificial intelligence, big data, AR, VR, and blockchain, and watch how these emerging technologies transform businesses and lives. We'll be sharing exclusive content received from closed tech communities, paid mail shots, other exclusive podcasts, and mass media.
We are Zfort Group. Thanks for joining. Today on Tech Friday, we'll go through design and development of an online store. Well, you've chosen a name, went through the hosting process, and analyzed your competitors' activities. The point is, you are on your way. Let's move on to design and development tricky moments discussion. Here, we'll review what e-commerce solutions the market has to offer. You must have heard of website builders like Wix or Shopify. Their significant advantages are affordable pricing, usability, and simplicity. You can build an e-commerce shop literally in a day. What is also attractive is the perk of having a hosting plan included in the package. The other useful factor is buying a ready-made design theme if you don't want to invest much in design. These two benefits indeed make such an e-commerce solution look like a perfect choice. However, it's not always the case. Your choice is limited by what the website builder foresees if you want to add any additional functionality. Moreover, if it's not included in the package you've purchased, it'll cost extra. Secondly, such websites can't be scaled. You'll have to migrate to another e-commerce platform. Thirdly, SEO promotion is complicated for these websites. So if you have any long-term plans to promote your e-commerce store, they won't happen with website builders like Wix. The only option available in this regard is paid advertisement. Finally, your online store doesn't quite belong to you. The reality is that you are just renting it. The second option on our list is creating an e-commerce website using a framework. Here you'll need coding knowledge or an expert in the area. It's not a cheap alternative and is a sound choice for large businesses. They normally have a dedicated development team or reach out to software development agencies to implement their project. Such e-commerce projects imply proper long-term planning with an already existing business process that serves as a basis for software. As you see, there can be a whole team working on e-commerce project design and development. The third alternative is opening an online store on open-source platforms. It doesn't require that much time and effort compared to the previous solution described. It all depends on your requests. Nowadays, it's increasingly popular and works for many cases. Such platform examples are Magento, WordPress, etc. Having a convenient, ready-made CMS is a huge benefit for any e-commerce project. The other is the variety of plugins and extensions, and each meant best for a particular e-commerce need. Documentation audit, SEO, payment methods, etc. Like with website builders, you can go with a theme or implement a custom design to stand out. The pros list also includes scalability and multifunctionality. Creating an online store using an open-source platform may take a few weeks or months. Everything depends on customer traffic. Such e-commerce projects are well optimized for search engines, which allows setting your marketing strategy way ahead. And that's all for now. During the following episode, we will discuss promotion and marketing of an online store in 2021.
Thanks for listening. Join us next week to discuss the latest tech stories, trends, and insights. Be sure to subscribe now to stay on top of the world's tech community news with Zfort Group.